breezy and cool. Peter?
Thank you, Penny. You know, there are all kinds of ways to acquire a car. Buy one, rent one, inherit one, or touch one longer than anyone else. It may sound bizarre. It was all part of a sales promotion and fundraiser held recently at Carr's Cars in Lebanon. Contestants put their hand on the Ford Granada donated by Larry Carr. The object of the marathon, to keep their hand on longer than anyone else and win the car.
People. And some of them, well, 2 people left right off quick. Some of them got eliminated by little slips. Little things like, oh, just my glasses, all over. And we're all going to stick around here until one of us, or one of them, is the new owner of the car. And it's been almost 12 hours right now since they started. They're talking about 3 weeks to a month, maybe a week.
Well, it didn't last a week, but it probably felt at least that long to the contestants' 2 diehards. Everyone but Marie Devoid of Enfield and Stanley Rogers, Jr. of Lebanon had thrown in the towel by the 35th hour. Devoid and Rogers held out for more than 24 hours longer than the rest of the entrants. Certainly, the cold nights and standing on their feet that long had to take their toll sooner or later. So at about 20 minutes past 8 Monday night into the 61st hour of the competition, Rogers called it quits, and Marie Devoid came away the happy but exhausted winner. Congratulations to Marie. Lots of the money raised will be donated to the Lebanon Library Fund, so it all went to a good cause. It's our report for tonight. Thanks for joining us.